Okay, we're coming to the end of the road now. We have discussed choosing a topic, focusing that topic by narrowing it down and choosing an approach, and conducting a research search on a focused topic using the advanced search option. We've also discussed evaluating your sources for credibility and substance. Now the last stage is citing your source. And the reason we emphasize citations is because of the problem of plagiarism. Plagiarism occurs when you inaccurately cite, fail to cite, or fail to quote original material. And this happens a lot of the time because of sloppy research, not keeping track of citations. It is not always on purpose at all. It can be completely accidental, but it is still considered plagiarism. So one step to avoiding plagiarizing is to keep track of your citations, collect them in an organized way during research, and then cite as you write, I call it, which means that as you compose your essay, you should insert citations within the body of the text. This is required anyway, but it keeps you connecting research from notes to where it was originally stated. And you do want to check with your notes to make sure that these citations are accurate and that the material you're citing is accurate and that you're not failing to quote something or failing to paraphrase it right or using exact language without saying it's exact language. So you just want to compare your writing with your original notes. And one way to cite as you write is to import citations from EndNote to MS Office Word. Previously in the section called Collecting Citations, I showed you how to export citations from a library database to an EndNote, which is a bibliographical program or software. Now this software keeps track of your citations and puts them into certain styles. This is an example of an EndNote. This is the exact example I used before. These are citations for the query search, the search we conducted using advanced search, using capital punishment, death row, and DNA testing. And these are the ones I imported from the database. Now we want to take that and make an in-text citation in a Word document. So one of the people that wrote the article is named Alter, and the article is called Death Penalty. So we want to create a text piece, a passage that talks about Alter's source a little bit, and then we're going to cite it in the text. So pretend we're writing a paper right now. Alter's essay, The Death Penalty, explores DNA testing and its impact on capital punishment. Period. And now we want to import a citation for Alter. And the easy way that this is done is just highlight Alter's name and the citation. Make sure that you are in the MLA citation mode, which is up here at the top, because you can do annotated, and it's very confusing because you get an abstract as well. But we want to be in the MLA mode. You can choose other modes, but you can change them much easier using Word. And what you do is right-click, add references to, right-click, and up here at the top, insert citation. Do you see it at the top here? It's a little arrow and a box, and it says in-text citation. You click on that, and it automatically creates a in-text citation next to that passage. And we also have the bibliography at the end of the paper. Another way you can do this is using the toolbar. And insert into Word, and it will do the same thing. Now, to create a bibliography after you are done writing the paper, all you have to do is do the same thing, but highlight everything and insert citation at the top of the EndNote library, and it'll create a full bibliographic record. If you want to change it to APA or something else, you can use Word Style on the Reference tab and change it to APA, Turabian, or whatever you want. So that covers how to cite as you write.